Here we are at 1180 Saddleback Ridge Court in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is a view of the front of the home. Give you a quick little view of the neighborhood. This is in Snake River Landing on the west side of Idaho Falls. Two-car garage. Covered entry at the front. There's just a couple of steps up. Hardwood floors throughout, which is really nice. Just a small hallway on our left. The first bedroom here. Nice big window that faces the front yard. Lets in a lot of outside light, which is nice. Nice closet here with full swinging doors. Across the hallway is washer and dryer hookups. Shelf overhead. It's tile there, which is nice in case if you get anything wet. Bathroom here, you do have a full tub and surround. Granite countertops, toilet and vanity area there. Then this hallway continues. The door on our right takes you into the garage. A lot of space in here, two-car garage. And this is the main living area. Rock fireplace there. This has a nice open feel. The living room, dining area, and kitchen is just one big room, which is really cool. Light overhead here. Granite countertops. Does have a dishwasher. Stainless steel appliances. Pantry area there. And then this bedroom is the master. It is larger. Vaulted ceiling here. And then you have a walk-in closet. Nice good sized closet. Some built-in shelving. And then the master bathroom here. Upgraded tile shower. Oversized tub. Nice tile floors here. Nice big mirror here over the sink. Large vanity area. And the very end of the house, these double doors take you into the backyard. It's covered in snow, but there is a patio here, and you have a little privacy fence. Gives you a nice little space to have a barbecue or whatever you want to do there. Here's another view of the living area. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see the home, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.